Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 of the best Shopify themes that you can find online right now. And you see that I'm on templatemonster.com. You see the link directly below this video. Highly recommend Template Monster. Got a ton of different templates on here. I've been using Template Monster for years and years and years, ever since the days of WordPress when I was doing that stuff before Shopify. They've been around for a long time. Highly recommend them. We're going to come over here and look at some Shopify themes. And I want you to take a look over here. Over 2,150 Shopify themes ready to go right now. They're super easy to install. You just download them and upload it right into your store. And it acts just like any Shopify theme. Inside there, you get the great 2.0 theme editor. And there's so many different ones out here. You could take a look through all these. You could even search through different types of niches and really cool kind of setups here where you're going to be able to go in and look at the live demos. And you see different review levels, different star levels over here. I'm going to come and show you some of my favorite. And we're going to come right over here into pets, of course, one of my favorite niches, as you could imagine. And you're often going to find a lot of these themes that have what they call skins or sub-themes. Basically, the idea is that you can apply these to so many different niches, and they have pre-designed kind of setups here, color schemes, imagery, buttons, icons, all that stuff for different types of niches. But here's a really cool one over here, the Petsy Pet Store. I'm going to show you this one right over here. We'll open this in a new tab. Really, really great pet-related store. I'm going to show you another one as well. Not always used for pets, but I really like the setup over here, so I'm going to show you this. I'll show you 2 more as well after that. But here is the Petsy theme, and this is the first one that I want to show you over here. Very, very beautiful looking store theme, and of course you can customize all of this with your logo, your color scheme, and of course your products and everything that really is going to make your brand. But if you have a pet store brand, whether you're doing pet food or pet apparel, like I know a lot of you are doing those pet personalization print-on-demand products, right? Really, really great. You can imagine having different pets or different breeds inside here as different categories, having all these different call outs, and it looks really, really great. The cool part is this is going to look great on mobile as well. It's going to look good on tablet as well. And this is just one of the many customization options that you could end up with when you have something that looks like this. You see all the different page types up here in the product features, and take a look at a product countdown over here as well, right? You see the availability going down. So lots and lots of different features. We could spend all day just looking at the different things that we see here. Really, really love, you see again, different features, the availability. Love this over here, even drawing attention in your mega menu where you have the different animated buttons over here, sale badge, right? So be able to draw more attention. Here's our badge right here. Draw attention to specific products. Here's what a collection looks like. This is definitely one of my favorite, if not my number 1 favorite theme on this entire site. So Template Monster, lots and lots of great themes. This is probably my number 1. Another really great theme here. You see this is implemented with anime and manga. But of course, this can be used for any niche. The reason I like this is it's very easy to customize. And there's a lot of features right out of the box. But you can customize things very easily. You don't even need to have a ton of different imagery. The cool part is it's really just using almost all of your products for the imagery here. So we have a lot of different stuff on the home page. We have vibrant products and vibrant colors and easy to customize sections. But you don't need to really have too much. So I know a lot of you will just have photos of your products. You might have maybe people wearing a t-shirt or something like that. Basic photography here is going to work well with this theme. Still a very professional theme, right? You have your trust icons, you have your color coordinated buttons, you of course have your logos and your professional navigation area for support, social media, all of the trust signals that you need. But this makes it really easy for you to just jump right in because you don't need to have a ton of different imagery. You got your slider over here, right? Again, just using products as the actual imagery of the site. You got a nice little newsletter pop-up as well built in. A lot of features built in onto this one. Definitely a really good one. Up there in my top 4 Shopify themes on Template Monster. Now I'm going to be talking about a number of themes here, 2 themes that are really great for apparel. And if you're doing print on demand, you absolutely want to pay attention to these 2 themes. We have this one over here showing the suit up demo over here. Really powerful, focused on apparel. And you see when we click into here and we have our catalog or our collection page look, we're really going to be able to see the view of our apparel side by side. And, you know, there have been a lot of studies in terms of how to showcase your e-commerce products in the fashion niche. You want to be showing them side by side on models. You have that ability to do that right inside here in the theme. So very, very easy. You see this little pop-up over here in terms of showing some featured products on the bottom as well. I really like that in terms of being able to drive attention to the products that you want. Nice little pop-up over here to get them to sign up for your newsletter. So we have that set up as well, but very easy to customize this. I think that's the key. You see, again, using products, using brand icons, imagery and things that you should already have access to. Really kind of big influence here on social media as well. Of course, if we're doing a fashion brand or if we're doing some apparel, there should be a heavy kind of social media integration. So we have that directly on the homepage here with this theme. In this case, they're showcasing their recent Instagram posts. So really good. Nice footer as well. Going to give a lot of space here for your important things. Of course, typical stores are going to have things like return policy and FAQs, but as an apparel store, you need to have things like sizing guide as well. So a lot of room in here for that. Really going to have everything set up over here. Again, collection page looks really good, but what I really love, the product page, right? Very, very professional layout as we see here. The ability to showcase multiple imagery here and have that really unique kind of setup in terms of this vertical line here. Going to look really good on tablet and mobile, which is super important. And again, lots of room for all of our different kind of apparel-related pieces of information, SKU and vendor and product type, right? We have all that capability to put that right in this theme. So this is a really good one. And of course, I have the links for each of these directly below this video. So you'll be able to click into all of these. This is the fourth and final one over here. Another great one for fashion and for apparel. This is probably one that's going to really work if you have a fashion brand that's doing things like, your typical print on demand. T-shirts, tops, hoodies, long sleeve shirts, right? Even jackets, right? That's going to fit into this theme. And you see the visuals here. Really great homepage in terms of separating out sections to showcase as much product as possible. You see we have a featured section, but then we also have bestsellers, and then we have the ability to now have individual call-outs as well. So a lot of room to showcase a lot of great product. Here's one of the best features here, this menu that actually showcases some of the product right here. You have full control, of course, over what's going to be inside here, what products are going to be shown, and this is a great way to drive attention to any product that you want. In this case, they're showing the sale collection, but they could have something like bestsellers or featured products or maybe just any product that you want more people to see. You could put it right up here in the menu. You see that there's different views as well. It doesn't have to be just showcasing product. You could have a combination of sublinks and featured callouts here. So a lot of flexibility on this one. Really like it. And again, all four of these themes, you could find the link directly below this video. So really highly recommend Template Monster. Like I said, I've been using them for a long time. Even way longer than Shopify's even been around. So really powerful. Another cool thing that they have, the Monster One subscription. This is really cool. Basically, you have one monthly fee. You get access to over 400,000 premium digital products. So new products coming out weekly. But the whole idea here is that you have a lot of different templates, a lot of different WordPress themes, plugins, presentation templates, graphics, icons, audios, video assets. You can click further and see. You see the link directly below this video. All these items are included in Monster One. It's basically a Template Monster subscription to get you access to just a huge amount of products, all inclusive, right? So if you're building a brand, really easy to come in here. You can get your landing pages. You can get your CMS like Shopify. You can get that theme set up. You can get your video templates. You can get audio. You can get 3D. You can get plugins and apps, right? You see a Shopify app right over here. All of this is included in Monster One. You see the different pricing set up over here. They even have AI implemented if you jump into the all-in-one. Pretty cool, the AI builder that comes with it. So you have a lot of different kind of reasons to join. One low monthly fee, you get unlimited projects, unlimited downloads, unlimited services here inside of Monster One, and really, really powerful in terms of being able to get into this kind of month-to-month exclusive club for people that are really kind of serious about growing their business. So highly recommended, really great pricing here when you look at some of the prices at a monthly fee. Some of the apps in the Shopify App Store that could be a lot more expensive and only provide just a couple of features. Here you're getting 417,000 pieces of digital marketing assets that you can use into your brand. So highly recommended on that. But either way, take a look at the links directly below. Browse through. You could spend all day on Template Monster just finding incredible Shopify themes for your store. And you see up here they have other things as well. PowerPoint themes and HTML landing pages, WooCommerce, WordPress, of course, all the different templates that you could ever imagine and hope for. So highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. You're going to get a little discount when you use my link, so make sure you click those exclusive links there. Make sure you get your discount with my exclusive discount code you see right over here. Have a promo code, just put in Cener, my last name, Cener, press apply. You're going to see your discount automatically apply. Same thing over here on the Monster One subscription. Highly recommended over here. Discount code. Go ahead and put in my code and you're going to get that discount you see immediately applied on there. Again, CENER as that discount code. And I hope you find a great theme.